What's up, you guys? It's Diana, aka Arizona Foodie, and today we're doing something a little bit different because we're gonna go loco about local, and we're working with the Arizona Farm Bureau to show you something really cool. We have a local farmer inside the house. We're going to be cooking a recipe that she created using all local ingredients, and you can find all this information on fillyourplate.org. Did you know that you can even connect with your local farmers on that site and buy directly from them? You can find recipes using all local ingredients, as well as where you can find local ingredients to purchase. So let's go inside and find out some more information about how you can be loco about local too. All right, so today we're here with Ava, and you are a local farmer, correct?
Yeah, we actually farm out in Parker, which is Arizona, but not super close local.
So today, what are you going to be making for us?
I'm going to be making albondigas.
And everything that you see that we're using is local. A lot of beautiful local produce and other items you can get at the grocery stores, correct?
That is correct.
So let's get started with the dish. What are you going to do first for us?
Okay, I already opened up this package. It's a pound of ground beef. You can get how lean you want it. This is probably 80-20.
Okay.
And then I'm going to
crack open an egg. You know, I don't know about you guys, but I always buy Hickman's, and if you didn't know, even if it doesn't say Hickman's, it probably is a Hickman's. So sometimes you'll find that a lot of the products in the grocery stores don't say what farms they're coming from locally, but they are local. So even this Bash's milk, it's local milk.
So I took an egg and I beat it.
All right.
And then we're going to put it in here.
Form those meatballs.
To help form the meatballs.
Okay.
I got some different spices here.
So what are we putting in there? Cumin?
Cumin, oregano, garlic, salt, and pepper.
Perfect.
And so I already have this mixed up, and then a half a cup of rice.
Okay, so rice, all the spices, and you're actually going to pour that in before you even form the meatball.
Yes, and it's kind of like making meatloaf. You mix it all together, and then instead of making a loaf.
And the rice is not cooked?
Nope.
It will cook while you're boiling the meatballs.
That is correct.
Perfect.
So,
all right, so we're going to form all that together.
Yeah, so this is kind of like the fun, slushy part. And then, so I just put some out, and then I roll them up.
All right, and so after we have formed all the meatballs, we take these and drop them in a pot of boiling water, correct?
That is correct.
And then those just kind of sit in the water for...
we bring it back to a boil and let it simmer for an hour.
All right, so after an hour of the meatballs boiling, you would cut some celery up.
Yeah, for every pound, I'll take 3.
Okay, 3 stalks.
3 stalks, and you don't dice them up real small.
Okay.
It's kind of chunky.
Chunky celery, and then you also grab some tomatoes as well.
Yeah, they're diced tomatoes. I just use them because they're easier to break up.
Okay.
And I don't want to add a whole lot of the juice. I want the broth to kind of stay a little clear.
Okay, so you're gonna take these and kind of squeeze them out and then drop them into the boiling water. So you'll drop the tomatoes, the celery, and some oregano into the water after they've been boiling for an hour, and then how long do they cook for?
30 minutes.
Just 30 more minutes?
30 more minutes and it's done. Okay, and so when it's done, this is the result. You notice that there's a lot of rice that came out of the meatballs. Get some juice. And there you go. There's albondigas. Pretty simple. It's nice and steamy.
All right, Ava, thank you so much for making this and showing us how we can support these local farmers. You can find everything on fillyourplate.org, including this fantastic recipe. So many more, all kinds of places where you can find the local goods and even connect with your local farmers. Peace out.